Welcome you all to the video lecture on data handling, chapter number 4, exercise 4.1, problem number 1. The question is, a survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people liked in a city. Okay. Adjoining pie chart shows the findings of this survey. So, this is a pie chart where we have a different type of music. Okay. The survey about the different type of music is there in the pie chart. So, semi-classical is 20%, classical is 10%, folk is 30%, light music is 40%. Okay. From the pie chart, answer the following. If 20 people liked classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Okay. So, 20 people liked classical music. So, when we see the picture, here the classical music is about 10%. Okay. So, the percentage of classical music is 10%, and here in the question they have given that 20 people liked classical music. So, from these two information we can easily determine the number of people surveyed. Okay. So, let number of people surveyed is equal to X. Okay. So, they have said that 10% of classical music. Okay. So, using that content, I can say that 10% of X, that is 10% of total people, okay, liked the classical music. And how many people like the classical music? 20. So, 10% of X is nothing but 20. Okay. So, using this, I can write 10 by 100. Why? Because 10% is 10 by 100 into X, that is the number of people surveyed, is equal to 20. Okay. So, X is equal to 20 into 100 divided by 10. So, 0, 0 get cancelled. 20 into 10 is 200. Okay. So, X is equal to 200. That is the number of people surveyed is equal to 200. Okay. Then, so the first question is over. What about the second subdivision? Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Okay. So, when I see the pie chart, okay, 20% is semi-classical, 10% is classical, folk is 30%, light music is 40%. So, light music is high, right? So, 40% is there for light music. So, more number of people liked only the light music. So, the answer is light music. Okay. So, they are asking for maximum number of people. So, maximum number of people will like light music. They didn't ask for the count. Okay. So, if they ask for the count, then I have to find out as usual here 40% of total number of people, that is 200. 40 divided by 100 into 200 we have to use, and we have to find out the number of people. But here they didn't ask the number of people. Which type of music only they have asked. So, light music is the answer. Okay. And then third question, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, okay, how many of each type would they make? Okay. So, they are saying that total CDs is, okay, total CDs is 1000. So, individually for each type of music, how many cassettes they will make? Okay. So, that is the question they are asking. Okay. So, individually when I see that for semi-classical, okay, for semi-classical, in the pie chart itself they have given that it is 20%. Okay. So, 20% of total CD, right? 20% of total CD. Okay. This is what I have to find out. Okay. So, 20% of total CD is nothing but 20 by 100 into 1000. Okay. So, here 0000 get cancelled, which is nothing but 200. Okay, 20 into 10 is nothing but 200. So, for semi-classical, okay, so for semi-classical, the number of CDs is equal to 200 CDs. Okay. Similarly, I have to find out for classical, light as well as folk. So, for classical music, For classical music, okay, it is of 10%. Okay, so 10% of total CD. Okay, 10% of total CD, which is nothing but 10 by 100 into 1000. Total CD is 1000. So again, 0000 get cancelled. 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so for classical music, okay, they will make 100 CDs. And then for folk, for folk music, it is 30% given. So 30% of total CD. Okay. So 30 by 100 into 1000. 0000 get cancelled. 30 into 10 is 300. Okay. So for folk music, they will make 300 CDs. And then finally for light music. For light music, it is around 40%. So 40% of total CD they will make. Okay. So 40 by 100 into 1000. 0000 get cancelled. 40 into 10 is 400. Okay. So for light music, it is 400 CDs. Okay. So for classical music 100 CD, folk music 300 CD, light music 400 CD, and then previously we have determined semi-classical music 200 CDs. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching.